my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 4, India Unlimited, Chapter number 23, Mineral Wealth. Minerals are important. So, match these minerals with the countries that have their highest concentration. Thorium, India. Option G. Uranium, Kazakhstan. Option D. 3. Diamond, Russia. Option K. Aluminium, China. Option A. Bauxite, Australia. Option G. 6. Copper, Chile. Option C. Chromium, 7. Option L. South Africa. 8. Nickel. Option E. Indonesia. Silver, Mexico. Option F. Niobium, 10. Option H. Brazil. Natural gas, United States. Option I. Silica. Option B. Canada. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 24, Panoramic Paintings. Look at these world famous paintings and write their names. First one is Mona Lisa. Number 2 is Girl with a Pearl Earring. Number 3 is The Starry Night. Number 4, The Kiss. Number 5, The Birth of Venus. Number 6, The Arnolfini Portrait. Number 7, The Garden of Earthly Delights. The Garden of Earthly Delights. Number 8 is The Harvesters. Number 9, Guernica. Number 10, Liberty Leading the People. Number 11, The Scream. Number 12, impression sunrise. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 25, the Indian Parliament. Chapter number 25, the Indian Parliament. So let me start. A dash. Motion against the government can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha. It is no confidence, a no confidence motion. Number 2. Dash was the first speaker of the Lok Sabha. G.V. Mavlankar. Number 3. Dash are local self-government bodies in urban areas, municipalities. Four. The dash constituency has the lowest number of voters in the country. Number 4 is the dash Lakshadweep. 5. Every member's seat has a dash console with colored buttons, green or a yes state for no's and yellow for abstain. So it is voting. 6. The official transfer of dash from the UK to India took place in the Central Hall of the Parliament on 14-15-1947. Power. The dash of every working day in the Parliament is referred as the question hour. So it is first hour of every working day. First hour of every working day in the Parliament is referred to as the question hour. Number 8. Originally called House of Parliament, Dash was designed by Dash and formally inaugurated in. So called House of Parliament. So it is Sansad Bhavan. Was designed by Edwin Lutyens. And Herbert Baker. In 1927. Number 9. The Parliament building of India is dash in shape, which represent continuity. Circular. It is circular shape. 10. Around 12 noon, MPs can discuss any important topic with prior notice to the speaker. This is known as 0 hour. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 26, India's Missile Program. India's Integrated Guided Missiles Development Program, IGMDP, was started in 1982-83 by the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, under the chairmanship of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who developed the satellite launch vehicle SLV-3 for the Space Research Program. The work is carried out at the Defense Research Development Laboratory DRDL located at Hyderabad. India has so far developed 5 missiles with Agni, Prithvi, Trishul, Nag and Akash. So first one is Agni. So to read about them, type surface ballistic missile, range is 1200 to 2000 kilometer, aim to test the performance of an indigenously built heat sheet, a hardware in weapon delivery system. Test launch. First successful test launch was made on May 22, 1989 from Chandipur, Odisha. So India is the fifth country to have developed this type long-range missile after USA, Russia, France and China. Now, type anti-tank guided missile fire and forget. So, range is 4 kilometer. Aim developed to counter contemporary advanced in tank armor. It is the most advanced missile of its kind in the world. The system is to be inducted to complement French acquired anti-tank missile Milan. Test launch. First test flight was made in 1998. Second test flight was made in June 1990. Prithvi. Type surface to surface battlefield missile. Range 150 km with 1000 kilo warhead and 250 km with 250 kg warhead. Aim to hit a target without the help of the Air Force. Test launch. The first test launch was made on 25th Feb 1998 from Rocket Launching Center, Sriharikota. Second and third launches were made on September 27, 1989 and Feb 11, 1991 respectively. The fourth test launch was made on May 5, 1992 from Chandipur after 10th and 12th 10th and 11th test launches in 1993, it has been inducted in the army. Trishul. Time low-level quick reaction surface-to-surface missile. Range है इसकी 500 meter to 9 kilometer. Aim developed for all the three defense services, Army and Air Force will use it against low-flying objects and Navy will use its modified version against sea skimming missiles. Test launch. The first test launch was made in September 1985 till 1991. More than 10 test launches were made. Akash. Type. Medium range surface to surface missile. Range 25 km. Aim. A futuristic missile designed to defend large installation like oil fields, etc. against enemy air attacks. State-of-the-art technologies developed for missile programs and other high technical systems are also being channelized to make available to the common man biomedical equipment at a fraction of the prevailing price of imported systems. So write the full form of the following. So let me start. Number 1 is CSIR. It is Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. Council of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. 2. ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Number 3, ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. DDRD. Number 4. Department of Department of Defense Research and Development. Number 5. DOS. Department of Space. Department of Space. Number 6. DAE. Department of Atomic Energy. Number 7. DRDO. Defense Research and Development Organization. IGMDP. Integrated Guided Missile DP Development Program. Number 9. DRDL. Defense Research Development Lab. Number 10. SLV. Satellite Launch Vehicle. 11. ISRO. Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization. NASA. National Aeronautics. And Space Administration. Number 13. TERLS. It is Tundra Equatorial Rocket Launching Station. Done. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 27. Men of Vision. Chapter number 27, Men of Vision. Do you know these great men? He is the founder of the International Art of Living Foundation. He travels to many countries every year to reinforce the message that all religions share common goals and values. He is the recipient of numerous honors and also a contender for the Nobel Peace Prize in 2006. Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. 2. Immensely rich yoga expert started transcendental meditation movement in 1959, founded the Maharshi University of Management. Maharshi Yogi. Three, spiritual leader hailed as the reincarnation of Shirdi Sai Baba. He has built hospitals and educational institutions at Puttaparthi, Anandpur in Andhra Pradesh. Shri Satya Sai Baba. Four, Indian philosopher of international reputation at 20, he headed a new sect, the Order of the Star of the East. Jiddu Krishnamurti. Number 5. Viewer on his TV show and attendees in his camps have reported significant improvement in their health from simple yoga exercise taught by him. He founded the Patanjali Yoga Peeth Trust. His practical approach in yoga has won him thousands of admirers throughout the world and made him a living symbol of Indian culture. Swami Ramdev. Six, Indian religious leader and founder of Rama Bhakti movement, regarded as one of the Vaishnavite gurus and has been given a place in temple worship in South India. Acharya Ramanuja. Seven, a saint philosopher who made India's greatness known to the world. He worked for the uplift of Hindu society, established Sri Ram Krishna Mission. Swami Vivekanand. Eight, charismatic godman of India, also known as Osho, set up an ashram at Pune and a city on 64,000 acre in Oregon, USA. Later he turned controversial. Number 8. Acharya Rajneesh. Number 9. Philosopher and scholar, revived Hindu religion, established maths at the four corners of India. Shankaracharya. 10. One of the most illustrious social reformers and religious leaders, born in Kerala, thinker and mystic who tried to improve the lot of backward classes, spread the message of equality of men irrespective of religion. Narayan Guru. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 28, Living Legends. The dead are often paid a tribute. Here we remember the achievements of the living. Write the names of these living legends. Choose from the box. He is a world renowned cardiac surgeon. In 2001, he founded Narayana Hrudayalaya, a multi specialty hospital in Bengaluru. He is also a philanthropist and does not charge any fee from his poor patient, Dr. Devi Shetty. 2. He is known as the Metro Man. He has been instrumental in making the Delhi Metro what it is today. Under his guidance, his team has been able to complete the different sections of the metro by their target date or before and within their respective budgets. E. Sridharan. He is the world's best known sitar player. He is also a recipient of India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna, Ravi Shankar. 4. He is very well known in the field of environment conservation, time, and again, he has spoken about climate change and the urgent need to solve the energy crisis for tapping solar energy. He is associated with many organizations that are working to create awareness about the urgent need to save the environment. R.K. Pachori. Five. He is regarded as one of the greatest batsmen of India. He played during his 1970 and 1980 and set many world records. His technique against fast bowling is said to be better than even Sachin Tendulkar. He is now a cricket commentator. ये है सुनील गावस्कर. 6. She was the best known playback singer of Bollywood. She has sung songs in more than 20 regional languages. She was a recipient of the Bharat Ratna. Lata Mangeshkar. He is a Carnatic vocalist and a playback singer. He has composed many ragas and has sung songs in many languages. He played the mridangam and the violin. ये है नारायण गुरी. Narayan Guru. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 29, Indian Nobles. Nobel Prize is a set of 5 separate prizes that, according to Alfred Nobel's will of 1895, are awarded to those who during the previous year have conferred the greatest benefit to mankind. So look at the pictures given below and identify these Indians who have won the Nobel Prize. Economics 2019. Who is? Abhijit Banerjee. Number 2. Chemistry 2009. Venkat Raman Ramakrishnan. Three. Literature 2001. V.S. Naipaul. 4. Physics. Subramaniam Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar. Number 5. Medicine 1968. Hargobind Khorana. Number 6. Economics 1998. Amartya Sen. Number 7. Peace 2024. Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi. Physics 1930. ये है सीवी रमन. Literature Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.